What it do, y'all? Fwea-Go back with another Fwea-Go Logic episode. Today we gonna make a clean version. I'm gonna show y'all how to make a clean version, or a way to go about making a clean version. So start out by grabbing your song. And let me also say, this is assuming you don't have the stems either. Let's say you only have the track. So what you want to do, first things first, you want to make sure your BPM is aligned. So let's throw our BPM counter up.
Cause I can play these games with these hoes. When you're done playing, let me know. It's so easy for me to let it go.
So that's a 138 BPM. So boom, we got that aligned. Let's take out the little intro dead silence.
Cause I can play these games with these hoes. When you're done playing, let me
grab your
know.
stems.
It's so easy for me to let it go.
Hey, Fwea-Go.
Cause I can play these
So we got our vocals here. I'm gonna move the vocal track to the bottom.
games with these hoes.
So now we got our marquee tool on as our command click tool. You see here our marquee. This allows us to grab a certain region and edit it accordingly.
Cause I can play these games with these. When you're done.
So I hear some remnants of the echo. We're gonna take that out.
Cause I can play these games with these. When you're done playing, let me know. It's so easy for me to let it go.
Hey, Fwea-Go. Drop that heat, boy.
Cause I can play these games with these hoes. When you're done playing, let me know. Can play these games with these. When you're done playing, let me know. It's so easy for me to let it go.
So it's really about like scrubbing, listening for the audio. So that's some consecutive. Let's go. So these are kind of similar. So we're gonna mute that. Okay, so I muted the U, so I'll put that back in there. Mute that. Oops. Command. Mute. So you kind of just going about it, finessing it like that. Trying to just clean it up as much as you can without taking out too much of the actual song. Need that section. Ho is subjective, but I'll take it out for the context. So, and then after a while, you can you kind of start realizing like what waveforms is what parts.
So better take it. So better take it. I got it, yeah. So but you better.
So yeah, I mean it's a redundant task overall, but
I got it, so better take it.
if you think about it, we kind of halfway done already. So it's kind of just going through the rest of the song.
'Cause I can play these games with these hoes.
You already know it's your girl, Rob.
I could probably take out the whole drop.
It's so easy for me to let it go.
Because I know the drop still got some cussing in it, so we're going to just remove the whole thing.
Cause I can play these games with these hoes.
So take out the whole.
When you're done playing, let me know. It's so easy for me to let it go.
So, I mean, I don't deem the drop as a cuss word, but, you know, should be subjective. So we'll take it out.
Shake it, hoe, you better shake
Let's go.
it, hoe.
Okay, so we got the remnants of the drop.
Shake it, hoe, you better shake it.
Oops. Uh-oh. Okay, so we taking out this part.
Shake it, better shake it, shake it, hoe. Better shake it, hoe, I got it. Better shake it, got it big. But you better shake it. Shake it.
You gonna take out the.
Shake it, hoe, you better shake it, shake it. Shake it, hoe, shake it.
You gotta take that out.
Shake it, better shake it, shake it. Shake it, hoe, you better. Shake it, you better shake it, shake it. Shake it, you better shake it. Shake it, hoe, I got it big. So, but you better take it.
Again, we'll take out the whole again.
So, but you better take it. Take it. I got it, yeah. So, but you better take it.
And just like that, we basically done.
Cause I can play these games with these. When you're done playing.
If you want, you could add a little polish on there. Maybe throw a slight delay. I like to take delay.
Cause I can play these games with these. When you're done playing, let me know.
Real subtle, but it's in there.
It's so easy for me to let it go.
Hey, Fwea-Go. Drop that heat, boy.
Cause I can play these games with these. When you're
So you see how like that one has like the whole remnant in there. So what I'll do is usually create like a separate track and then I'll add more of a echo before the cuss
I
word.
can play these games with these.
So that one still say ho. So what I'll do, I'm looking for the with these. Part that say with these.
Cause I can play these games.
So I had the part that said with these. Let me see.
Cause I can play these games with these.
It's like it's in there, but it's not really in there. But it's in there. Like you really gotta be like a stickler to really like catch it.
Drop that heat, boy.
Cause I can play these games. When you're done playing, let me know. It's so easy for me to let it go.
Shake it, shake it, shake it. You better shake it, shake it, shake it. You better shake it, shake it, shake it. Oh, I got a beat. So
See, that's why you go back and listen. I think it was this part.
you better shake it, shake it, shake it. Got a beat. So
Yeah.
you better shake it, shake it, shake it. Got a beat. So shake it, shake it, shake it. Better shake it, shake it, shake it. Better shake it, shake it, shake it. Oh, I got a beat. So better take it.
I think it said it again right here.
Shake it, shake it. Got a beat. So better take it.
And yeah, this is how you make a clean version.
So better take it. I got a beat. So better take it.
Cause I can play these games with these.
Clean that up a bit.
It's so easy for me to let it go. Cause I can play these games with these. When you're done playing, let me know. It's so easy
Like this, another one where I could probably like chop it and drop it.
with these. When you're done playing, let me know. It's so easy for me to let it go.
Shake it, better shake it, shake it, shake it. Better shake it, shake it, shake it. Got a beat. Shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it. You better shake it, shake it, shake it. Got a beat. So better take it. So better take it.
Take some of that out.
I got a beat, yeah, but you take it. I got a beat, yeah, but you take it.
We're gonna take that out.
I got a beat, but you take it.
That's why you go back
I
and
got a
listen.
beat, so take it.
Take out the whole once again, just because
I got a beat, so
it's subjective. What I could do is echo out the
beat, so take it.
take out the dead silence. And again, that's just the jar, but we can mute that. And straight like that. I mean, I think the remnants is also coming from this track here with the other. Yeah, I could hear it a little bit. So what we could do here is add like a noise suppressor. I personally like the NS1 by Waves. Alright. That way we clean it up a little bit. Like it's still there, but it's real subtle. You don't want to like pump it too much because it'll like take out the actual elements of the melody, but
'Cause I can play these.
that's how you make a clean version. So from there, you kind of just stem out your project or like bounce it in place. Let's go clean. And then boom, we got a clean version.
'Cause I can play these games with these.
What?
When you're done playing, let me know. It's so easy for me to let it go.
Hey, Fwea-Go. Drop that heat, boy.
'Cause I can play these games. When you're done playing, let me know. It's so easy for me to let it go.
And that's how you do it. You feel me? Y'all can go stream these O's on all platforms. I'll probably drop the clean version. I'll see if I'll go back in and do a little extra surgery to clean it up some more. But for the most part, on a grand scale, this is how to make a song into a clean version, especially when you don't have the stems. This is why stems are actually important. If you pay attention to like the little remnants that you actually do still hear, that is included within the other parts of the tracks. When the track is like forced to be stemmed out, this kind of what you get. And not all stem splitting technology is of quality. So don't worry, Fwea-Go got you. You can easily go to clean.fwea-i.com and we'll handle it up for you, especially if you don't want to do all the tedious work in like doing this. And again, this is just a surface level edit, just kind of showing you what the process kind of can look like. But yeah, I mean, that's it for this episode. Appreciate you for tapping into another episode of Fwea-Go Logic. Go ahead, send in your clean versions. And if you think you got it, go ahead and edit your clean version. Let's see what you got. Yeah, have a blessed one, man.